Good day. This instructional video will guide you on shop drawing submittal using the Unifier. But before we begin, let's have a quick overview of the shop drawing submittal workflow. Shop drawing submittal workflow begins with the document controller of UBTJV, who completes the paper copy of the shop drawing submittal form and put together the shop drawings to be submitted. Then he logs into the Unifier and creates a submittal record by entering the required details for the submission. He will also need to upload the electronic copy of the shop drawings to be submitted and the electronic copy of the submittal form in the Unifier. Then the senior document controller will review and check if the submission is correct. If it is correct, then he will submit it to the document controller of DAR. DAR document controller will check again the submittal and accept if the enclosures are complete and correct. If it's complete and correct, then he can forward the submission for review to the users of DAR and WSP. The reviewers can view or download the shop drawing and input their comments in the Unifier. These comments will be forwarded to DAR resident engineer, who will then input his final comments for the drawing. Then it will go to the document controller of DAR, who will print the drawings with the annotations and comments and obtain the physical signature of DAR resident engineer and project director. Then he will upload the revised drawing and comment sheet and submittal form in the Unifier and update the line status of each drawing. It can be code 1, code 2, code 3, or code 4. Then he will send it to UBTJV document controller. UBTJV document controller will receive the response from DAR and allocate for internal distribution the received response. The received response will then be reviewed by the project director and technical and engineering team, and if it's code 3, then it will be subject for resubmission. Begin by opening your browser, and it is recommended to use Google Chrome for Unifier. Then enter the URL address, your username, your password, and then click Sign In. Make sure that this button, beside the notification button, is blue. If it's gray, you have to click it once and then close. And this will enable the new user interface for Unifier. Then, check the user banner which is found beside the home button. Check if the project is visible. If not, you have to click the plus sign and then click for the project. The project is the same as the package or contract number of the project. But on this video tutorial, we're going to use the test system. DAR document controller will receive a notification in his Outlook email that a shop drawing submittal has been performed by UBTJV for his acceptance. He just needs to log in his Unifier account, and in the navigation tree, click Task Manager folder and click Task subfolder. To find the submission from UBTJV. Also in the task, he will find all of the tasks that he needs to perform in the Unifier. So he just double clicks the submission or the record number, Then he click accept. This button means the document controller of DAR is accepting the task of receiving the submission from UBTJV. So he clicks accept. Take notice that the accept button was changed to send and save. DAR document DC checks the details. The drawings, click the drawing. He will see the line item details and the attachment, which is the electronic document. By clicking the gear button, he can review or he can download the shop drawing or the submittal form. So let's try review. A window to view the electronic files will open. Okay. And he has the option here to download, zoom in, or zoom out the document, or he can even rotate if he needs to rotate the electronic copy of the shop drawing or the submittal form. Let me close this. He also has the option to download without opening or preview the document by clicking the gear button and click download. Once he is happy and he sees that the submittal is correct, he can click send. And this is for acceptance. So I'm accepting the document. Once he click the send button, it will send to UBTJV a notification that the submission has been accepted by DAR. On the to button, he will select the users who will review the documents. So in this test, it's only me who will be reviewing the document. And then DAR DC also needs to set the date when the review is over. So I'm clicking that the reviewers need to send me back this shop drawings by April 19 as an example. So select the date, click done. Though the system creates an automatic date, this can be changed through here. Then click send. Okay, now a notification again from UBTJV will be sent saying that DAR already accepted the submission, and simultaneously it will send to the reviewers of the shop drawing.